Now, sweet. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mom.
What's exactly going on, my dear, beautiful daughter?
Nothing much. Just that.
Is that baby?
I'm having a nice conversation over here.
With who?
With someone special.
My beautiful daughter.
Mommy.
Just me.
Oh, Mommy, it's nothing really serious. Just that I met this new guy and he's cool, loving, handsome, humble and all of that. Like, honestly, I
handsome like your father?
Yes, but not so much like my father. You know my father is awesome, he stands out. But comparatively, he's okay.
Yeah?
So, and there's this one thing about him. He's very interactive. I like his vibe and the way he carries himself about. He's such a nice person, honestly. Yeah, I really like him.
Anyway, your friend say?
He's quite Nkrumah.
No, would you want to know? Is he a student? A worker?
He's a worker. He's a worker.
He does his own work or
yeah, he's one kind of, he's into business, buying and selling stuff. Yeah.
I can't wait to meet him. So, do you have any plan to bring him home?
Actually, I was thinking of like studying him for a while. I don't want to rush things, you know, and I don't want to take hasty decisions. I want to watch him for a while. If he turns out to be someone who deserves to be brought home, why not? I'll bring him to the house.
How long have you been with him?
Really, 2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
So all this while you'll be hiding something from me? Your mother, your beautiful mother, your lovely mother. Oh, my gracious.
No, I'm sorry, but then you should understand me.
Okay.
2 months is too quick for me.
Okay, from now on, I'm not going to share I'm not going to share anything with
Mommy.
you.
No, don't do this.
Yeah, because you hide it from me. 2 good months.
No, I just wanted to surprise you. I wanted to take time to, you understand?
You know you're my daughter. At the same time, you're my friend. You're my everything. So I share ideas with you. And you keep things from me for 2 good months. And you are telling me to share my ideas with you. No, no more. No more.
There's no way I'll hide things from you. But I only wanted to be sure that I was presenting to you the best person. That's it.
At the right time.
At the right time.
That's my girl. Love you so much.
I love you too.
Honey, how was work yesterday?
Mommy, it wasn't bad. It was okay.
As for me, I was having a headache yesterday. It wasn't easy for me at all. Yeah.
But Mommy, for my tummy, you have to do something. You said you take me to Turkey.
No, don't worry. I've promised you, so don't worry. Promise is promise. Are you expecting someone to call?
Maybe just a minute. Hello?
Yeah, hello, babe.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Haven't you met someone that's missing you?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I really miss you a lot.
I miss you.
Can you guess?
Guess what?
Just guess. I want you to guess.
I'm not good at guessing, please.
Try your best. I mean, just say anything.
No, please.
And let's see if you get it right.
I can't.
You can't.
No.
And I'm standing in front of your house. I want to see you.
Really?
Yes, my love.
You mean in
I
front
just
of
want
my
to tell you
house?
how much I love you.
Okay, right. I'll be there soon.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Because I can't wait to see you. I really miss you.
Okay, I'll be there. Mommy, listen, please.
Why don't
You, when I come back, please.
What's that? I said I'm catching. Hey, why? Who was that?
He's in Nkrumah.
And he brought you this. From the designer shop, like your course. Wow. Hey. Hey. All this for you?
Yes,
Hey. Oh. This shows he loves you. Don't like it?
Oh, it's not like I don't like it. It's just taking us. I'm very happy though. But it's not the first time he's buying stuff for me.
Is it?
Yeah, he usually buys them.
Oh, but I haven't seen it. You have never shown me one. Hmm? I'll repeat it. You'll be hiding this from me.
Oh, you're not hiding it.
Okay.
Just as I told you.
Okay. If that is what you want. You be in your lane, I'll be in my lane.
Oh, mommy, no. You shouldn't bring this. We share things together. I mean, I was only trying to surprise you. I didn't want to do something like, I wouldn't be sure of something I present to you. No, I didn't want to do that. That's why.
The way you throw it on there.
Oh, no.
It
Because,
means you don't.
oh, I really like it.
No.
But I feel like it will occupy space and, you know, I can keep it here.
So what do you like to eat, my precious? My darling. So, when are we planning to bring him home? I want to see him. I can't wait.
Mommy, don't worry, I'll bring him home very soon.
Oh,
He'll come very soon.
okay. Okay. I've heard we're not long, eh?
Oh, no long.
As soon as possible, immediately.
Hopefully.
Tell
Yeah, I'm
Manage
sure.
it. The channel.
No.
With your phone. Okay. When can you answer planting? Wow! Hello. Yeah, can I accept that compliment?
Thank you.
What man?
Me?
Is that
Nkrumah. Yes, great.
wow? What a wow! Handsome guy.
Thank you.
What man? Could you want man? Only a P. Oh,
You are
so
handsome.
handsome.
Nkrumah,
Thank you.
please, you meet my mom. Adjoa, and then Adjoa. This is like.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice. So, where do you live?
Oh, I live at 100.
100.
Yeah.
Right, says it. Your distance is too much.
Yeah,
What's
it's because of now.
But what man can be going up in that? I insist it to 100, I insist it to 100. Okay, You see what to do. Hmm?
Anything like me, I'll be okay with it. Because of Boatemaa.
I can see you love my daughter.
Yeah, I love it so much.
Is it real love?
Yes, it's real love. And your daughter is some kind of way. She's very good.
She's
good
sweet.
in everything.
She's sweet.
Cooking, everywhere. Like everywhere. She's too beautiful. So
That's
sweet.
my girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I offer you something?
Well, we are just coming from a restaurant. It's, I guess I'm okay.
You look good in me.
Thank you. You're looking good too. Like mother, like daughter.
Thank you.
You're too beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me leave you two.
Mom, so soon.
What else do you want me to do?
I actually brought him here so that he could talk to you, at least interact for a while. It's like you're
Okay.
leaving us.
Okay. What do you do?
I do buy and sell. I mean, I sell phones and accessories, hands-free, chargers, and any phone, any type of phone that you need, I can sell it for you. Yeah.
And where do you come from?
Well, I'm 50-50, and 50 Boatemaa, 50 Nkrumah. My father
Wow.
come from Jamestown.
Wow.
And
Nice
from
child.
Pram. Yeah.
Pram.
Yeah. and
Oh, I can't wait to go to Pram.
Yeah, and I wanted to come from Sompong.
Oh, Snapple.
Yeah. Achimfo.
Good.
Yeah.
Are they two alive or?
Oh yeah, my mother is alive, but my father is late.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry for that. Mr. Nkrumah,
Yes.
do you live alone or you live with your mother?
I live alone.
You live alone.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll call you later, yeah? Okay, I'll call you later. I'm very busy now, I'll call you, yeah? Okay, thank you. And you don't mind moving in here with us? Sometimes.
If that will make Boatemaa happy, I will do that.
Of course. I need your presence every now and then, so you being here would be so comfortable for me.
Then I'll move in tonight.
Oh, no, sorry. Yes,
I'll move in tonight to make you happy more. Because I want to always be around you, so I mean it's good being around you.
No, you can be here 4 times in a week, then you be in your house 3 times in a week.
Oh, I will even come and stay here permanently for you, just because of Boatemaa.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I love her so much, and I don't want to miss her just a second.
It's okay. Yeah.
So,
I wish anywhere I go, she can follow me.
Also to work.
Yeah, everywhere.
Hey!
If you love your wife, you need to showcase her everywhere.
And she's
you
also.
go. Just have to wake up. Get ready so that I can drop you at work. It's in the morning.
morning. What time is it?
I think it'll be around 6:30. Yeah. I can see that.
6 what?
Yeah.
Hey, I have to get up and make breakfast as soon as possible. So that I
Don't
can
worry. Just relax. I'll do it. Right.
You prepare the breakfast?
Yeah, I'll prepare it. So you just relax when you get out there. You take your bath so that I can drop you. Right?
Really?
But don't sleep enough, right? I'm tired. get up and get ready so that we can come out. By the time you get ready, right? I love you, baby. Yeah, I just want to cook some small porridge for Boatemaa.
And where is she?
I just told her to relax. I feel like cooking. Why stay again?
You know how to cook?
Yeah, cooking is my hobby. I love cooking so much, yeah. That's why I told her to relax.
Then your mother is lucky.
Yeah.
No any other woman can cheat on you because you know how to cook.
No, cooking is my hobby. I love cooking, so when I see myself cooking, I feel very happy. And when I see people enjoy my food, and I'm happy too that I'm able to cook for people to enjoy.
My daughter is lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have her too.
I can't wait for your food.
Yeah, it's almost done. It's just that I will get it ready from now. Oh, sorry.
sorry.
No problem. I thought it was. Sorry. Okay. Wow. Okay, then let's have.
Please, can you help me zip my dress?
Okay.
This dress has been long I wore it. I don't know it's getting tight like this.
Oh, you're looking sweet. You're looking more sweet.
Try zipping it.
Nkrumah,
Yeah.
take me to the mall, please.
Mom?
But
Yes, darling.
what want me to go to work? I have to shop her before I leave.
But she can go with the boat. Or is it wrong for you to drop me? I mean, to take me to the mall?
Oh, Mom,
Your mother-in-law
with the boat. He has to take me
No,
to work.
no,
I'm
no.
going to work.
No, please. Wati. You're a young lady. You can go with the boat. Let him take me to the mall.
Well, you see, it's about my wife. You know, I can't just let her go alone.
I know. She's your wife and I'm your mother-in-law. And I'm the eldest, so you have to give me the due respect, please.
You can just zip my dress for me.
And even, see how this dress tied you? Can't you change it? Look.
I mean, whatever.
Babe, wait, let me zip it for you. Babe! Sometimes you do some certain things. You do want your daughter to know that we are dating. How would you do this? You're getting too jealous. Why?
What do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do?
Oh no, it's not
What do
good.
you expect me to do?
It's not good. Stop getting jealous.
Please. Take me to the mall.
You're getting too jealous. It's not good for you to get jealous. What do I owe you? Today you didn't allow me to go to work too.
Please, sometimes you have to make time for me.
Is it making time for you soon?
So, would you prefer? No, would you be scared to be one? It's not right.
Let's sit down to talk. Let's sit down to talk.
What are you talking about? Hey, shh! I'm in my own house. me to where? I'm in my own house. Hey, please. I'm not going to change. I'm not.
Don't worry. You just come. What's my discount?
Excuse me.
Come on, what?
You don't worry. Let's go inside. Sometimes we like inside. Right. Let's go inside.
No, Abla, I want you to do something for me. Can you go to the kitchen and prepare me noodles? Noodles.
Don't worry. You don't worry. Let me go.
No. I want her to prepare it for me, not you.
No, I don't understand this. Why? I'm having a nice time with my boyfriend and you want me to.
What? Am I preparing noodles? Always start. Just go and do it. Then come back and then
do it for you.
No, please.
It's okay.
No, you see. You just
Let me go.
Okay, then let's go together. I don't want to stay.
Mr. Adjoa, please, can you sit down?
No.
Mr. Adjoa, please, can you sit down? Mr. Adjoa. Fear.
Wait. Honey. Please, I want to talk to you.
Later, I'm tired. Let's make it in my room.
I know you're tired, but I want to talk to you. It's urgent. It's very important, please.
Did you wait till morning?
I know there is morning. That's I want us to talk at this dawn. Please.
Okay, what is it? Tell me. Listen.
B, what's going on? Akwasi. Hello. Sweetheart, I'm talking to you. What's going on?
Oh my God. I don't understand it.
You've changed completely. You've changed. This is not you. Why are you behaving like this?
Change? Who, me?
Yes, you.
Say who that? Nkrumah.
Please. I've noticed something about you.
What is it?
Initially, you allow me to sleep on your chest. Now you don't do that anymore. You used to wake me up in the morning, prepare breakfast for me, and all of that. Like, there are so many things that you used to do, and now you stopped. What's wrong? What's going on?
Nothing, it's just that sometimes I'm a little bit tired, that's why.
I know you. I know you very well. If you're tired, I know. And it's like you are only avoiding me.
No, my love, how can I avoid my love? How on earth can I do that? You know I love you so much and I won't do anything to hurt you, so forget about it. This is not an issue, right? I love you.
No, I can't sleep. Don't tell me to sleep. Things are not okay. Are you cheating on me?
No, how on earth would you say that? How would I cheat on you? Like a beautiful young, a super lady like you, then I'm cheating on you. I'll never do that, honey. I love you, honey. Right? Sleep. Don't worry. Sleep. Yeah. Don't worry. You know I love you. I can't cheat on you.
Listen, trust me, I'm not seeing you well. I have to be very honest with you.
Honey.
I'm not seeing you well at all.
Okay, what else do you want me to do? Just have my own behavior again?
Do I need to tell you?
Okay, okay, fine. Tomorrow morning I'll cook for you. Is that okay?
It's not just about cooking. You hide your phone, There's this. I used to know your password, Mama. You've changed it. Really?
Babe, honey, you mustn't complain about everything. I love you. And I'm not cheating with anybody. Who told you I'm cheating? I'm cheating with who? Apart from you, I can't see any other woman. It's only you. And you know I love you so much. That's why I keep telling you to forget about it. Baby, you know you have to stay for me. Stay for me. I love you. Maybe one day I'll cook for you, right?
If you say so.
Yes, darling.
Like, I want to know something. What's actually going on?
What?
You've changed in your dressing, your walking, your attitude. Then you can't mommy for. What to be Anna? Because the way they say, you sound like what to.
Amakuma nyemia, Jefa mafebia venye, evido. No mafebia venye,
No, like seriously, you're falling in love.
Of course, why not?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy for you anyways. Well, who is this lucky man, if I should say?
One old man.
Old guy.
Papa no. Papa no.
Mom, wait. Are you really talking about Papa no? The Papa no that we all know, and I say Papa no bang.
Me dem say Papa no.
Hey,
Papa no.
Papa no in this country is just one. There's one Papa
Okay.
in this world.
Okay, you can
In
take
Ghana, let me
Papa
precise.
no. Amakuma nyemia. Oh, what?
Mom, but
Evidence.
no,
Evidence.
let's be serious here. Mommy, then if you do that, you're not being fair to me. I talk to you about virtually everything that happens in my life, even in my privacy with Akwasi. I told you everything. So why is it say of late, no? You're trying to hide stuff. So, but you've been seeing this man because who changes more? It's been quite a while. And now they are shown.
What?
Hiding things from me.
Why are you rushing?
Me than you.
Why are you rushing? I didn't make catch you. Make catch you. It's not the appropriate time to tell you.
Okay, you just told me his name. What's his name?
His name is called Papano.
Mom, you're keeping me in suspense. I need to know. Because, Mommy, you know what? Everything that concerns you concerns me. Sure. I don't want a situation I'm able to be better. You know also what I'm at for. I'll have to see this man, talk to him. My man even said, or deal with me, my mom. So you can't take him for granted.
I understand you. I will invite him here.
Really?
One of these days.
When?
So don't worry. I said I will invite him here. Don't rush. Don't rush with me. So what you saying?
Hey, Mommy.
Aye.
I love the way you're looking. Wait, the way I'm looking. You look, and you're looking so.
Stop disturbing me. Stop disturbing me. You are disturbing me nowadays because I'm too hot. My mind is going crazy.
Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting?
I'm shouting because I can't give you that attention that you need and give that same attention to Boatemaa because you know I need to give Boatemaa more attention so that she won't suspect that I am cheating on her. But you want me, even when you see me sitting down with Boatemaa, then you are getting more jealous.
So you
just want to separate the two of us. Why?
At least you have to know that I'm also a human being. Sometimes, think about me too. You always play romance with her. You don't play romance with me. If you left with me and you only. Why? Nkrumah?
I am thinking of leaving this house because I just want to leave this house and go and stay in my own apartment.
Has it come to that? Why are you
Yes,
leaving?
because I'm not getting the happiness. Because I need money. I can't get money. I need money to do one or two things. I need money to solve a whole lot of problems. And I'm not getting anything. And I'm stuck in one corner. Meanwhile, I can't get the happiness that I need.
But you haven't told me you need money.
As I tell you before, you know I need money.
Oh, Nkrumah. How can I know that you need money? You tell me, then I see what I can do. For money, don't worry, no problem. How much you want? I can give you any amount that you want. The only thing is, have time for me too. I got feelings too.
I'm sure. I'm sure you give me.
Of course. Have I ever lied to you?
No.
And then why are you asking me if I'm sure?
Don't worry. Let's go inside. Let me give you.
No. So, nowadays, I
It's
don't...
not in the house, baby.
I know she's not in there, but nowadays I don't...
Baby, shh. Let's go inside. Let me give you hot one this. Hey! Honey! Babe! Babe! Yeah, that's my babe. Today I have a surprise for you, babe.
Hey, excuse me. Don't touch me. What is wrong with you?
Why?
You're asking me why?
Yeah, I'm surprised.
You'll be surprised. I know you'll be surprised. How could you?
What have I done?
I don't know where you were able to raise such huge amounts to develop your project, your work. I know you very well. I know you've not gone for any loan, whatever. So how did you secure that money? Like there are some changes. Excuse me, don't honey me. Don't honey me. I'm seriously, I'm not joking.
You know I love you. And at least you should have waited a little bit. I will tell you all the truth about me.
So what has loving you got to do with this? I'm asking you a simple question. Where did you get the money? Where did you get the money to raise such huge... Wow. Oh, really? Such a pure silver bracelet. I don't remember getting you this, and I don't ever remember you. Even initially, you used to tell me you don't like these stuff. So where did you get this from?
It's nothing, you know, honey.
Hey! I hate it when you draw closer. You think I'm joking? Like, do you know what I'm capable of doing?
Calm down.
Don't push me. Don't push the wrong button inside of me.
Nothing.
It's nothing, right? So what is it doing on your wrist? You see your life. You can't even talk. Shameless you.
It's not no. I can't.
What
do
is
that.
name? I'm so much.
I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating on you.
Really?
I'm not cheating.
You are not cheating.
I'm not cheating. I swear, I'm not cheating.
Look at what he's doing.
I'm not
Just
cheating.
think this nonsense about you.
Hey.
Excuse me, hey!
Don't
touch me, I hate it. Don't get close. Get back. Move an inch backwards.
Like you're serious?
Oh, do I look like a joke to you?
No, I think this thing is nothing. Okay, fine. If you don't if you don't like it, then
interrupt
it
me.
off.
Don't interrupt me. This thing here has actually confirmed my suspicions. Yes, you are really cheating, and it's so obvious. I don't need you to tell me, but you know what? Mark it on the wall. I'll get to the root of this.
I'm cheating with who?
Hey, don't touch
down.
me. If you touch me, I swear to God, I'll slap you.
It's better you slap me because
Really?
I will take it.
I'm crossing. Touch me as you want.
Babe. No.
Really? You are stopping me?
Yes, then kill me.
I'm listening. Why are you crying?
I'm no more comfortable right now.
Why?
Akwasi is not treating me fairly at all.
Is it, Akwasi? How? Talk to me. How?
Can you believe that of late, Akwasi does not give me any attention?
Akwasi?
Yes. You know, if you remember, the first time I spoke to you about him, I told you that he was very caring, he was humble, loving and all of that. But Mom, he has lost it all.
Are you sure?
I don't know what has come over him. I'm just amazed. Initially, I could even sleep on his chest all throughout the night. But I don't know what just happened or what transpired. He's a completely changed man.
Akwasi.
Wow.
How come?
Mm.
Or you think he's doing something outside?
That is what I suspect. I think he's doing something like he has gotten some other lady, whatever. Like, that is what I'm thinking.
I don't see that in him. No. No, I don't see certain thing in him.
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know the extent to which things are getting. And I know how people behave when, like, I've been in a relationship, 1 or 2, and I know how things are. Mommy, I know that Kwasi is definitely cheating on me.
Let him go. Of course.
No. You want me to let Akwasi go?
Yes.
Just like that?
But I can't sit here for him to disturb you.
Do you expect me to leave Akwasi in the hands of another lady? Mom, do you know how sweet and loving that guy is? Do you know how sweet Akwasi is, Mom?
Hey, he's so sweet.
Mom,
yes, Dad.
what did you just say?
I said, Akwasi, oh, the boy is so sweet.
How did you know?
Akwasi, if Akwasi prepare food, can't you see how the food tastes?
No, Mom, it's never sweet. Sweet.
Oh, me too. I'm talking about food, sweet food, not sweet. Very sweet, no. Me kasa ko so no dua me ed.
Nse Mommy me and Mama make.
Na say so no na me di hu say do see good ofiase. Yes.
I can't, Mommy. I can't afford to lose him.
Let him go.
Mommy, I can't let him go. I'm so madly in love with him. And the way he handles me, Mom. I don't need to be telling you, but he handles me. He makes me feel like a complete woman.
Yes. That's how he is.
So good in bed.
Oh my God. I can't wait to taste him.
Mom!
Taste his food.
Mom! What's wrong? What's coming over you?
Yesterday he prepared jollof rice.
No, did you hear what you said? You can't wait to taste him.
To taste his food!
No, Mom, you have to correct yourself. I don't like the way you're expressing yourself.
Sleep of God, what are you talking about? How can I taste your boyfriend?
So Mommy, correct.
No. This is a slip of tongue, my dear. How? My daughter's fiancé.
Yeah, I know you.
This movie is very nice.
But what blue no? Action movie they win January. Very interesting movie. Yeah. Kalabu action. Hi babe. Hey, come here. How did you miss me?
I miss you. That's why I'm here.
So what's up? Your action movie beyond the temple. Hey, it's very nice.
You and movies. I don't know what you get from movies.
Oh, but it's very nice. Very nice. Shall I miss you? What about the stuff to yourself? Let's go inside and do something.
Hey, you rushed something, no?
But you're sweet.
Yeah, but then I came here. You should ask me why I'm here with you.
But we are home and you are around me.
And you see the way I was walking towards you, it's Western and 10.
Why is that any problem?
You have to guess.
Yes. Have you getting me the money asking?
All you know is money. I'm not talking about money this afternoon.
Okay, have you gotten a promotion?
No. What else can you think of?
Let me just read my head and see if I can be a prophet. Let me see if I can be a prophet.
And what do you expect?
You found a contract.
So everything is about money. Between you and I, don't you have any aspiration?
Between you and I, the only aspiration that I have is that we have to get married. That's all. Or would you have something different to tell?
No. Then I think I have to go straight. Since you're missing about the bush. Let's see.
Yes, darling.
I'm pregnant.
What?
Pregnant.
Oh, wow, dear girl.
Why would I joke with something like this? I'm pregnant.
Like seriously?
For real.
What do you mean? No, Akwasi.
You want
Akwasi, how long?
1 month.
Wow.
Yes. I just confirmed. What's my make her say ovulate to me if you lay on easy near that thing?
Yeah.
And so I have to check. We didn't check in with a test strip. And I'm call Dr. Adjoa.
Wow.
We hear no question say everything. I'll check in mommy baby.
It's good. I'm so happy. I'm gonna be a father.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
What is all this noise about?
Mom,
What is all this noise about?
Mom,
Yes, darling.
you know I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant! You're pregnant!
I didn't even
At long last!
Mom,
You're pregnant!
I'm going to have a grandchild.
I can't wait!
Mom, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy for you, darling.
Baby!
Oh my goodness. Like, you know, when Dr. Adjoa
Yes.
told me everything, I was like, wow.
Yes.
I didn't expect that.
Oh,
And then I am going to marry you as soon as you give birth.
thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, at last, I'm going to get a grandchild.
Yes.
Oh, that's my. You make me happy. Oh. Akwasi, I don't feel happy. And you don't make me happy. Since I got pregnant, you've been maltreating me in this house. You only have time for Boatemaa. You don't have time for me. Why are you doing this to me? Why?
It's not my fault. You know I love your daughter so much, and your daughter too. So what else can I do? I have to give her more attention. You know, I don't want her to suspect that we are dating. That's why I'm doing that.
But you told me you love me.
Yes, I love you, but I love her too.
Then why sudden change? Why? You told me you loved me, you promised to marry me. You promised me so many things. How did sudden change? Because I'm pregnant?
No.
Then why? And where is all this thing coming from?
And you know what you need an attention, so I have to give her attention too. So I'll see what I can do because she's waiting for me at work. I need to go and pick her.
Talking with me, you want to leave me and go and pick her at work?
Yes, what else do you want me to do?
So I'm not important for you.
You are important, but I don't know what to do again. Babe, babe, I'm sorry. Stop crying, baby.
I'm very
Babe.
disappointed in you.
No. You know I love you. I can't just neglect you like that, but I love Boatemaa too. I'm sorry, babe. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm not going anywhere. I won't go. I'm staying home. I'm staying together with you, yeah? I love you, baby.
I love you more.
What am I going to do? Mother and daughter. Hey! I said, Mamenyam. Nebasonyam. No. This thing there. I better start finding solutions to this problem. It's either I'll run away without telling them where I am going, so that they can't find my whereabouts. Or if Boatemaa gets to find out, send my minion, Onosusumima. I am responsible for their. Hey, it's going to be war. Oh, mistake being my. Mistake being my. They on it. Yes, baby. Oh no. This one is Kania Kagao. Bite mother bite picking. This is Nigerian people who say Obonde Nama, bite mother bite picking. Why this all sudden happiness and this thing? Drinks and everything. I'm late for work.
You have to enjoy the drink. Don't you like it?
Fine.
Enjoy. Wow.
Cheers, son.
I'll give this prize tomorrow.
To greatness, to love, and then
And
to
happiness.
loyalty. Yes, for being loyal to ourselves, you know.
Yeah. Tomorrow, I'll surprise you. Papa is coming home tomorrow.
Oh, nice. I can't wait. Mom. Papa, no.
Papa, no.
Honey,
Yeah, babe.
I can't wait to see Papa no in this house.
Yes, yes, of course. Papa no. Papa no. Yeah, Papa no. Oh, it'll be very interesting, Papa no.
I love this.
Yeah, you said you have a date. Can we talk so that I have some people waiting for me in town so that I can meet them on time?
Okay, you want to go to work, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. Mom, actually, I don't want to take much of your time. The truth of the matter is that the drinks before you two here is poison.
What?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
I said
Why?
the drink before you two here is poison. And
Why?
as a matter of fact, you have less than 5 minutes to confess to me right now. Else you are going to die. Do you understand?
Oh my God.
No, you're wasting your time.
What, man?
Confess to me what you have done against me. You and Nkrumah, what you two have done.
What have I done?
I'm like, it's not my fault. It's your mom. It's your mom. It's your mom. It's your mom. I was sleeping one day and your mom just approached me and she says I have to sleep with her.
You're a great liar. You're a great liar. You don't trust me. You don't trust me.
This is what happened. I'm like,
Mr. Nkrumah. Mr. Nkrumah. Sorry to disturb you.
so.
Stop calling me as so.
Yeah, sorry. Tell me now. Why inside?
Yeah. I knocked the door, but you didn't hear anything. You were deep asleep.
Oh, sorry.
Mr. Nkrumah,
Yes.
I want to have a word with you.
Okay. So I hope I haven't done anything wrong.
No.
Okay, I'm all ears. I'm listening.
It's hard for me, but I'll try.
Why have I done anything wrong?
No, not at all. Since you came to this house, you've been nice to me and my daughter.
Oh, okay.
You'll be helping us. doing things together. You're such a marvelous person.
Thank you.
I want to discuss something with you. Please don't tell Boatemaa my daughter. Please. It's
Okay.
between me and you.
Okay, I won't.
Promise whatever I'm going to tell you, you're not going to tell her.
I promise I will not do that. I promise it's a promise.
Mr. Nkrumah, you're a very handsome man.
Thank you.
I can't stand you. The moment I see you, my body starts shivering. Oh my God.
Like how?
It's like I'm falling in love.
You're falling in love.
Yes.
Where'd you go?
But nobody's here. You are the only one in this room.
Oh no, Asu, but I am your daughter's fiancé.
Forget about my daughter. She's my daughter. You are right. But forget about her. Let's do something. I love you.
Oh no,
I want you to be my man friend.
Asu, this one day. If your daughter even finds out, how is he going to take it?
And how is she going to find out? How is she going to find out? As I'm talking now, she's not here. She has gone to work. So if something happened now, how could she know? You are not a child. Or are you going to tell her? If something happened between us, are you going to tell her? No, you don't have to.
No, I'm not going to tell her, but I mean, as you know, I so sad here. While singing Pona, was that some so.
Forget about us, so as singing porn, whatever, forget about us.
Some certain stars, I love them. Now I'm singing Pona. It's not nice.
You will still be with my daughter. At the same time with me.
So you want me to date the two of you?
Of course, that is what I meant.
Oh no, so I can't do it. Please, I beg you, I can't do it.
Think about it. Now that your work is upside down, you need help, and I'm the only one who can help you. Sure. Any amount that you want, I'll give it to you. Then you start your work again. Be on your feet. Think about it. I didn't ask you to leave my daughter. Just be with her at the same time with me. She won't know anything about it. Or you might never know, maybe in the future you're going to leave her there. You come with me. Who knows?
Okay, I'll think about it. If I can do it.
Think about it. Think about it. I'll leave you.
So that's it.
Don't call me. Never call me a sorry. I'm not your son.
You see,
then don't call me.
What should I call you? What name should I call you?
Don't call me.
If I don't call you,
Or you can call me Adjoa, but don't call me a son.
Okay, I hear Adjoa. I will think about it.
Yeah, think about it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, then you can be on your feet.
Okay, I will think about it.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, coming. Hey, babe. My sweet angel. Wow. You're looking sweet.
Good morning.
Morning, my love.
I always look sweet.
Yeah.
I have something for you.
What is it? Wow. 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 That's why I love you. Thank you so much, my dear. I love you. Babe! Yeah, babe! Yeah, babe! Yeah, hi. Yeah, I missed you. I love you.
I know you love me. Let me drop my bag.
No. You can't drop your bag.
Why?
Let's go to the kitchen and cook.
You look very tense. What's wrong?
Nah. Ooh, me.
No.
Thanks. It's just that I miss you. And I just want us to, let's go to the kitchen.
Then let me drop my bag.
No, don't worry. I will hang the bag so that we cook together.
What are you up to?
No, nothing. It's just that I just want to be more romantic today. Yeah. No?
I don't get this.
Okay, first, give me the bag. Straight to the kitchen. Straight to the kitchen.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I love you so much. Hey, let's go straight to the kitchen. Let's go. Fast. Babe, I'm coming, babe! Yeah, I want to get my phone, I'm coming. Babe, I'm coming, my phone. Babe, I'm coming. Yeah. Babe. Yeah, babe. You see, I know nothing about it. Your mom forced me to wait. Now you're forcing my drink and
Mom!
I'm going to die.
Your daughter going to die? Mom, how could you? So Mom, you could go to this extent. Your own daughter. Your only daughter. Mom, how could you? Is that how you behave?
Abraham, forgive me.
Are you a mother?
It's a work of Satan. This Akwasi was a Satan.
It has always been the work of Satan from day one. No human being is involved. Look at you. Don't touch me, Mom. Mom, I just hate you. You disgust me. Really?
I know nothing about this pregnancy.
You.
I know nothing about it. I am not responsible for it. I am not responsible.
I don't care.
I'm not responsible.
Like you take me for a fool.
No.
You two were playing with my emotions. You were making fun of me.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to die.
Maybe so
I'm going to die.
My own mother.
Abraham, forgive me. It's the work of the devil. Please forgive me. Abraham.
Mom.
The work of the devil.
And you? What is he?
Abraham, please
Really?
forgive me.
You come
You
on.
kill your mother. You kill your mother.
Mom. So why did you even do that?
I didn't even know what came over me. Please forgive me.
I'm highly disappointed in you, Mom.
Forgive me, Abraham. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I don't know what came over me. Abraham, forgive me, please.
Mom.
So left to have enemies for me to die. Abraham, you kill your mother.
Mom, for your information, I didn't poison any drink. I'm not that heartless. And I only wanted to fish out the truth from you guys. How could you? How shameful.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Tell me, Mom.
Sorry.
Now that you are pregnant for my boyfriend, in fact my fiancé, and I am also pregnant for him, how is your child, your so-called child, going to call me? And how is my child also going to call you Mom? How will the society at large take this whole thing? How are we going to address this issue?
It's fine. Place in your hands. Forgive me.